Students of class 5th, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. Today we are going to learn chapter 6 part 1, that is formatting slides in PowerPoint. Students, in our previous class we have used PowerPoint for making presentation, but we will take a quick revision and we'll do further information we'll get in this video. Okay, let's start. So what is presentation? A presentation is display of information in the form of text, image, animation and sound. People make presentation to express their idea to the audience. Teachers, professors, managers and sales representatives use PowerPoint to make presentation very often. See, basically presentation we use to display some information, some idea in front of the people. Okay, let's move ahead. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is one of the most popular software used for creating beautiful and attractive presentation. It is developed by Microsoft Corporation. So students, PowerPoint is a software. It is a software through which we can create presentation. Fine, we have learned these things in our previous class, that is class 4. Okay, let's see. Now, what is slideshow? A presentation consists of number of slides. When a presentation is displayed on the computer screen as a series, it is called a slideshow. Once again, a presentation consists of number of slides. There are so many slides in one presentation. When we move these slides one by one, next, so the continuation of slides that are coming in front of you, this is called slideshow. The display on the computer screen of slides in a series is called slideshow. Let's move ahead. Creating a presentation. How we can create presentation? Let's see. A presentation can be created by two ways. A. Blank presentation. B. Built-in templates. Fine. How it does happen? Let's see. First of all, blank presentation. Blank presentation option lets us create and format slides as, let me check. Yes, blank presentation option let us create and format slides as per our choice. How it does happen? Let's see. Let me open a Microsoft PowerPoint file. How we can open it? You need to click on start button, then you need to click on all program, then you need to click on Microsoft Office. Then you will see so many software of Microsoft Office, but we need to choose PowerPoint, that is Microsoft Office PowerPoint. You need to click over here. A new PowerPoint file is in front of you. Fine, as you can see, this is a blank file, nothing is there. Fine, so this blank file is called blank presentation. In this we can add title, subtitle and we can add more slides. How it does happen? Let's see. Yes, next is built-in template. Templates are pre-designed presentation that contains layout, colors, font, effects, background, style, and even content. Templates provides a blueprint of a presentation that we can modify easily. Once again, templates are pre-designed presentation. Fine, that contains layout, colors, fonts, effects, background style and even content is there. Right? Templates provides a blueprint for a presentation that we can modify. We can change that presentation according to us. Fine. How? Let's see. See, as you can see, this is the blank presentation, but if we want to create a template, built-in template, what we need to do, you need to click over here in Office button, then you need to click over here new button, new option. Then as you can see, blank and recent is selected. Fine, but we do not want blank presentation, we want templates. So we will click on install theme, install templates. Okay, as we click on install template, we will get some templates over here. Fine, so I will choose this one, quiz show. Okay, so I will click over here, then click on create button. As you can see, the slideshow is there in front of you. Fine, already created slideshow. Fine, see, as you can see, template slideshow is all in front of there. Fine, so in this way you can create template presentation. You can change topic or content of this presentation according to you. Fine, let's move ahead. Next is theme. A theme is a setting with predefined combination of colors, fonts and effects that can be applied to a presentation. Once again, a theme is a setting with predefined combination of colors, fonts and effects that can be applied to a presentation. How? Let's see. The process is same. If you want to change the theme of this presentation, what you need to do? You need to click over here, office button, click on new slide. See, install theme. Below the install template, install theme option is there. You need to click over here. As you can see, so many themes are there. If I want to change the theme, I can change. How? Let's choose. As you can see, in this previous theme, gray shade is there. If I want to choose this blue shade, let me do it and just click on create. See, this presentation of this presentation of this theme of the theme of this presentation has been changed. Fine, it has been changed into blue color. Or you can do changes from here. You need to click on design tab. You will see different themes over here. If you want to choose black theme, click here. Fine, theme has been changed. If you want to choose purple and white color, again you can choose according to you. So there are so many themes you can choose from here. Okay, let's move. Yes, so students, in this video we have learned how to select blank presentation, how we can choose install theme, how we can choose install templates. So in this way you can create your presentation. So what you need to do, read this chapter number 6 at your home, see this video 2-3 times. If you have computer at your home, you should start practical at your home. Okay, all the best. Thank you very much.